We created LiquidPlanner for high-performing teams who need more than basic task management and reject the failings of Microsoft project-style scheduling. Our solution is unique, proven, and newly rebuilt on cutting-edge technology. LiquidPlanner makes it simple for teams to plan professionally and powerfully because the software does the heavy lifting with what we call planning intelligence. Do you trust your schedule? Do you trust mine? Predictive scheduling is our flagship feature, and there is nothing else like it. The engine drives the automation and answers the critical questions when and how that teams face every day. One of the biggest problems teams face is priority chaos. LiquidPlanner has solved this problem in a simple, elegant way. Even more powerful is our solution to managing uncertainty using ranged estimates and Monte Carlo simulation. Our customers know the value of time and don't make excuses about performance and learning from data. Our time management functions work with the predictive engine so the plan is always up to date in real time. We offer the most accurate schedules on the market. LiquidPlanner is about delivering on time, every time, and keeping risk out of the equation. The elements of planning intelligence are effective mitigation against missed deadlines, uncertainty, constant change, and limited time. LiquidPlanner is way ahead of the game in solving the real pain points in the market. The difference comes from letting go of old assumptions of scheduling and focusing on the questions customers need to answer. LiquidPlanner continuously forecasts reality, so teams won't be forced to believe in unrealistic plans. Simply put, when teams want to do more than just keep tasks online, we help them actually plan the work, predict the future, and perform beyond expectations. LiquidPlanner has become a trusted, mission-critical partner for many businesses where answering the questions when and how makes all the difference.